This is Jacqueline Sable, and here are this past weekend's top NCAA performers. Michigan phenom Denard Robinson was supposed to be slowed by a bum knee. Clearly, he didn't get the memo. Robinson, a clear-cut choice for this year's Heisman Trophy, posted yet another game where he rushed and passed for more than 200 yards apiece. In the 4.5 games he's played in, Robinson has been nothing short of a human highlight reel. This past Saturday, on the second play from scrimmage, Robinson bolted 72 yards for a touchdown. He would add 2 touchdown passes before the end of the half, when the Wolverines were tied with the Indiana Hoosiers at 21. In the second half, it took just 5 seconds for Robinson to connect with teammate Junior Hemingway for a 70-yard touchdown pass. The two teams would trade touchdowns until the final drive of the game. With the score tied at 35, Robinson threw a 42-yard bomb to Hemingway, which brought the Wolverines to Indiana's 4-yard line. On the next play, Robinson drove into the end zone for a winning score. The touchdown capped off a 73-yard drive that was completed in an astonishing 52 seconds. Robinson finished the game with 3 passing and 2 rushing touchdowns, totaling 495 yards for his undefeated squad. Oregon's LaMichael James rushed for a career-high 257 yards on 31 carries. Although James' squad was down 21-3 at the end of the opening quarter, the tremendous tailback went on to rush for 3 touchdowns in a sensational 52-31 victory over 4th-ranked Stanford. Washington quarterback Jake Locker had just over 2.5 minutes left for a career-defining drive against the 18th-ranked USC Trojans. It turned out the Huskies literally needed every second to pull off the noteworthy upset. Locker engineered a long drive to set up Eric Folk's 32-yard field goal as time expired, propelling the Huskies to a 32-31 upset over the 18th-ranked Trojans. Locker, one of the nation's most talked-about players, finished the game with 310 passing yards. I'm Jacqueline Sable, and that was this past weekend's top NCAA performers.